F-22 Raptors will be first to control fighter-drone collaborative combat aircraft. 22 Raptor stealth fighters appear set to be the first operational airborne controllers for the U.S. Air Force's Future Collaborative Combat Aircraft, CCA drones. The service is looking to start adding tablet-based control systems and make other relevant modifications to the F-22s starting in the next fiscal year. This is on top of a host of other newly planned upgrades for the Raptor fleet to ensure the jets remain at the very tip of the service's spear for years to come, as you can read about more in TWZ's recent reporting here. The Air Force's budget request for the 2026 fiscal year includes an all-new line item for CCA-related modifications to other aircraft. Within that section is a call for just over $15 million in funding for what is currently named the Crewed Platform Integration Program. Separate sections of the Air Force budget documents say the service currently has 143 combat-capable F-22s, with the rest of the total fleet of 185 jets being dedicated to training and test and evaluation duties. A significant number of the small but highly capable and heavily in-demand Raptor force is typically down for maintenance at any one time as well. It isn't clear exactly what will be used for communications between F-22s and CCAs under their control, but the F-22's hard-to-intercept and jam interflight data link, IFDL, that is currently used to share data between F-22s is very likely the solution. Work has also been done using the XQ-58 Valkyrie, which has served as a CCA surrogate, to bridge communication gaps between F-22s and F-35s, which could also be useful in future operational CCAs. In the 2026 fiscal year budget proposal, the Air Force is also asking for $870 million to continue work on the CCA program itself. Two prototype designs, General Atomics YFQ-42A and Anduril's YFQ-44A, are currently in development as part of the first phase, or Increment 1, of the CCA effort. Requirements for a follow-on Increment 2 competition are being finalized now. Air Force officials have said they are looking to acquire between 100 and 150 Increment 1 CCAs, and around 1,000 of the drones at least across all the future increments. The current goal is for the first examples to enter operational service before the end of the decade. The service is also actively collaborating with the U.S. Navy and the U.S. Marine Corps on CCA-related developments, including a common command and control architecture. The Crewed Platform Integration Program will procure and integrate kits for F-22 installation, which will allow for F-22 control of collaborative combat aircraft, CCA, according to the Air Force's proposed fiscal year 2026 budget. The procurement effort includes, but is not limited to, tablets, cables, and associated materials, activities associated with system integration, assembly, test and checkout, certification, aircraft and CCA communications integration, software updates, systems engineering, training, support equipment, and program support costs, PSC. The budget documents also say that, of the roughly $15 million in crewed platform integration requested, just over $12.2 million will go toward the procurement of 142 tablets and associated cabling. This would put the unit price of each of these installation kits at approximately $86,218. The 142 figure aligns with the total number of combat-coded F-22s currently in service. The F-22 is one of a number of platforms the Air Force has previously said it envisions controlling CCA drones in the future. The F-35 Joint Strike Fighter and the future F-47 sixth-generation fighter are also on that list. The service has said CCAs might be paired with a broader array of aircraft types, including B-21 Raider stealth bombers and aerial refueling tankers, down the road as well. In the past year or so, Lockheed Martin, the prime contractor for the F-22 and the F-35, has touted work it has already been doing to enable those jets to serve in the aerial drone controller role.